All right, let's get rolling here. So when we log into our account, this is what we're going to see. Hit the review plan button. That's where we're going to make all of our changes. This is what makes a custom plan custom to foods we're actually going to like. Hit the edit meal plan. So once you've got to this screen, hit the swap feature. For instance, turkey bacon. If we don't like turkey bacon, you're not going to find it on the plan. I just customized this one myself. Hit the swap feature, and it's going to give you a plethora of different meat options. Obviously, swap a meat for a meat. If you want to search for an item, you could search for any protein meat you would like to swap for it, and it will come up with a feature. Click on it, and you can either do it for instance, turkey bacon. If we don't want it on any of the custom plan, you can swap it out every time for the ground beef, or we could do it just for this actual meal. So hit apply and it swaps it for you, and it already does the portion size to stay on track to hit those calories, keeping this so simple. Remember, pick any spices, any seasonings you want. I don't care how you cook it. For instance, poached eggs, do the eggs however you want. Just eat the whole freaking egg. Do this throughout every single day on the custom plan, making sure all the food on there is something we actually do want to eat and enjoy it. This is one of the great things is you got a shopping list. So once we hit start plan, we get a grocery list for all the items that are on our custom plan. Make it even easier going to the grocery store, actually having a plan. So once we're all done with there, hit start plan, and boom, we got our plan. So the plan will be for 7 days, but there's no reason to have it for 30 because you can go in and hit the restart button and make all of your changes all over again, keeping it so simple, hitting the calories, not having to stress out about the food. Everyone's stressed out about the eating. Custom plan makes it so easy. That's why it's monthly. Every month, reset your plan.